Are you looking for the best tumbler? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best tumbler on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Overall Tumbler. The Yeti Rambler lives up to its reputation as one of the best tumblers on the market. Its double-walled insulation kept ice in our cup all day in the sun without causing condensation or cold hands. The Rambler is also so insulative for hot beverages that sometimes it was even too hot to drink for the entire duration of our morning commute. This is a fantastic choice if you like your hot drinks to stay hot through the last sip and your cold drinks icy. An especially unique feature of the Rambler is its mag slider technology, which scored major points with ease of cleaning. While most tumblers are dishwasher safe these days, getting coffee grounds and stains from the cap was annoying on some models. The slider on the Rambler is connected via a magnet, and you can quickly remove it for cleaning. This is a sleek tumbler that feels comfortable and secure in the hand. On the downside, all of these coveted attributes come with trade-offs. Most notably, the Rambler is heavy and expensive. It fit well in the cup holders of multiple vehicles, but our lead tester couldn't get it all the way into the cup holder on her camp chair. It is also important to note that camp chairs have a wide variance in cup holder sizes, meaning this tumbler might fit just fine in others. With its top-notch insulation and nifty lid technology, this vessel tops our list. If you're searching for an inexpensive way to keep your beverages cold or hot, the RTIC tumbler will get the job done while saving you some bucks. Specifications. Size tested 567 g 20 ounces. Available sizes, ounces, 10, 20, 30 ounces. Interior material stainless steel. Lid disassembles for cleaning partially, magnetic slider, non-removable sealing ring. Dishwasher safe yes. Number 2. Best bang for the buck. The RTIC tumbler won us over with its impressive insulating capacity, thriving at keeping beverages hot and cold for longer. It's the perfect option for getting out the door quickly and taking a steaming coffee along for the ride. The tapered, ergonomic design feels secure in hand, and the bottom is small enough to fit into many cup holders, from cars to your favorite lawn chair. The RTIC came out on top in our spill test, too. While the cap was completely closed and the cup was inverted, only a couple of drops slowly squeezed out. The cap is also easily opened for drinking with just one hand. Due to its narrow base and overly wide top half, the RTIC felt a bit unstable sitting on a table or desk. We trust its spill-proof abilities, but the plastic lid is unlikely to withstand many drops onto a hard floor. Cleaning the nooks and crannies of the lid is also tricky, and when the flip top is sealed, attaching the lid completely to the tumbler can be difficult. The RTIC is best for those who want a great insulative mug that fits easily in any cup holder at a great price. Accident-prone individuals should consider one of the more durable models like the Hydro Flask All Around. It performed well in our durability testing and features a classic tumbler shape. Specifications. Size tested 567 g 20 ounces. Available sizes, ounces, 20, 30, 40 ounces. Interior material stainless steel. Lid disassembles for cleaning. No hinge top, non-removable sealing ring. Number 3. Best full seal tumbler. The MER Flip Traveler is a convenient, easy-to-use tumbler that you can feel safe tossing into your bag when on the go. The flip-top lid seals completely, ensuring that not a drop gets out even when upside down in your bag the whole way to the office. Opening this tumbler one-handed while you drive is easy, thanks to a protruding lip on the flip-top. The flip is a perfect cylinder that fit in every cup holder we tried and looks great to boot. The flip seal on the MER juts upward awkwardly when flipped open. As a result, not hitting our noses on it with every sip required some practice. And without any way to remove the hinged seal, whatever you're drinking can get lodged in the hinge without an easy way to clean it out. But with a bit of practice, We found ourselves loving the mirror flip for its security when traveling and overall ease of drinking. However, some might prefer a sliding lid like that of the Yeti Rambler, which we found convenient and easy to clean. Specifications. Size tested 454 g 16 ounces. Available sizes, ounces, 12, 16, 20 ounces. Interior material stainless steel. Lid disassembles for cleaning partially, removable sealing ring, hinged top. Dishwasher safe lid yes, body hand wash only. Number 4. Best for coffee aficionados. If secure transport of the purest, tastiest hot coffee is your top priority, the fellow Carter Everywhere mug is a must. This on-the-go model is aimed right at the coffee connoisseur, with a tapered lip for sipping that's wide enough to accommodate your favorite pour-over coffee maker, an AeroPress, and other implements for coffee brewing. This mug kept liquids hotter for longer than any other product in our tests. Screw the insulated lid on tight, and this mug can roll around in your backpack all day, full of hot coffee, without creating a mess. It also has a rubber gasket seal that comes off with little effort for easy cleaning. Most importantly, the interior is entirely ceramic to ensure your coffee is delicious and free of any metallic taste that many stainless steel tumblers may impart. The screw lid is a double-edged sword, as it keeps hot liquid super secure but makes one-handed access while driving very difficult. The bottom of the Carter Everywhere mug also isn't tapered, and the whole thing is a bit wider than average, so it doesn't fit in every car cup holder, though Fellow now makes a taller and slimmer mug for just this reason. Overall, this tumbler isn't designed for slurping while driving, but if having a piping hot caffeinated sip from an on-the-go ceramic mug is necessary for you to get the synapses firing, the Fellow Carter is a must and a perfect gift for the coffee fanatic in your life. Specifications. Size tested 454 g 16 ounces. Available sizes, ounces, 12, 16 ounces. Interior material ceramic. Lid disassembles for cleaning yes, removable sealing ring. Dishwasher safe no, also no abrasive cleaners, ceramic interior.